Today's topic is journal entry for introduction of capital. We take an example. Suppose Gajanan started a business with a cash of rupees 40,000 and furniture worth rupees 10,000. What will be the journal entry? First of all, we will have to find out which accounts are involved in this transaction. In this transaction, cash comes in. Therefore, cash account is involved. Furniture comes in business. Therefore, furniture account is also involved in this transaction. Who gives cash and furniture to business? Gajanan gives. Therefore, Gajanan's capital account is also involved in this transaction. Now, we will have to see the classification of accounts. Cash and furniture account are real accounts, and Gajanan's capital account is a representative personal account. Which rules are to be applied? For real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Friends, cash and furniture comes in our business. Therefore, debit what comes in, cash comes in, furniture comes in. Therefore, the items to be debited are cash account debit rupees 40,000, furniture account debit rupees 10,000. Account to be credited. Gajanan's capital account is a personal account. Rule of personal account is debit the receiver of benefit, credit the giver of benefit. Gajanan is the giver of benefit. Capital represents to Gajanan. Therefore, credit the giver of benefit. The account is to be credited is Gajanan's capital account with rupees 50,000. The whole entry is cash account debit rupees 40,000, furniture account debit rupees 10,000 to Gajanan's capital account credit rupees 50,000. Narration: being started business with cash and furniture. This way, we have completed the journal entry for introduction of capital. If you like this video, subscribe it. It is very useful for you, and share to your friends. We appreciate your valuable comments also. Thank you.